Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that when you're just trying to enter your password in your Apple ID account, when you're just creating your new Apple ID account, and you may have issue that your password cannot accept by the Apple ID. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. So you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. So you see that the requirements of the password is at least 8 characters and at least one number and at least a uppercase letter and also at least one lowercase letter and also at least one special character. Special character is that at the rate, hashtag and dollar sign, just like that. Simply just go to the password and just try to enter the password just like that. I'm gonna different one just like that. Andrew gonna space Andrew Andrew um 776655 just like that. You see that it's ticket on because I entering the strong password, and at the end you just have to adding special character just like your and the at the rate just like that, and you see that all the check one. So make sure that it's also at least 8 characters. After that, simply just confirm password and Apple ID gonna accept that password. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.